Let's see A or B test on YouTube for your title and thumbnails by using iPad. So first, what is A/B test? So this is option only for monetized channels, and this A/B test will be available for only long form public videos. It won't available for private or unlisted videos. And at the same time, if you make videos for not made for kids, for matured audience or live video, you won't get this feature. So this is it. Now we can see in real time. So first you need to open the browser you usually use. I open Safari and open new tab, Google, and just click here and type studio.youtube.com and search, and long press over this first link, YouTube Studio, and click open in new window, and click the three dots over the top, full screen. Now I landed. If it goes to YouTube app or Studio app, you just uninstall the app and try again, then it will be work. Now if you see sign in, just sign into your YouTube channel, or if you want to change the account, click this profile, switch account and change the account. For me this is account. Now click content, the second option. We can add this feature to new videos as well as for old videos. For example, I open this video. Here you can see A or B testing. If you click that, it shows like this: title only, or thumbnail only, or title and thumbnail. This is the best option, title and thumbnail. Here it's already selected on thumbnail and title. I need to select the another thumbnail, title, and you can add up to 3 combinations, 3 titles and 3 thumbnails. Then click set test. After this, your video looks like this. You just need to click and open. Here you can see A or B testing titles running. Click view test report. So it's still running, so you can't see the report, final report. It takes time. It takes 2 weeks. The thing is, YouTube will evenly promote both title and thumbnails separately. Then after the test complete, it will see the report like which one got higher CTR and views, and put that video title and thumbnail as permanent for that particular video. So this is an automatic process. If you want to manually select any of those, just click and switch this option and click stop. Then you can select which one you want. So this is it. This is how you need to use A or B test on YouTube. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, you need to watch this playlist.